By the way. Oh, hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. Look, Harry's back. Or, yeah.
Yeah. That guy. Lloyd, Larry, whoever you want to be tonight. You can be whoever you want to be here on Dumb Investing. Welcome to the dumbest investing channel in all of YouTube's, where we take random dice and we pick 3 stocks. We do a little shallow dive on each one of those, and we go and choose one of those that we are going to invest our actual real money into. And with that, let's get dumb up in here.
All right. I like it. Let's go roll some dice. All right. Let's do this. All right. Random.org is where we get our dice from. Come over here. We roll our random dice. We get a 6. We go out to a random stock picker and we pick the 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th SYY. First stock we're going to look at tonight. All right. We go back to random.org. We roll that random dice again. We get ourselves another 6. How random is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. PYT. So somebody asked me, why all the random stuff? And the reason is because we don't want to be anybody thinking that we are paid to sell anybody's stocks or anything like that. We are doing this to help people understand how the market works and how to research stocks and how to not be afraid of jumping into the market. And so we want it to be as hands-off and just carefree as it can be. All right, so with Harry back, we get to do some Webull work because Harry uses Webull, which is our trading platform at Dumb Investing. If you check out the description down below, there's a link to Webull. You click that link, you put $100 in, they're going to give you 2 free stocks, and you're an investor just like that. I am going to go out to the Yahoo, and we're going to learn a little bit about these 3 stocks. Oh, I don't like this first one. All right.
I'm out.
I'm out.
So why would we be out?
Well, we would be
enlighten
out.
Our
Let's see if we can pull up this chart for just. All right. The reason we would be out. This stock peaked at $53. It's almost halved, almost down by 50% right now. And that is because this is a Chinese large cap fund. So this fund is going out and buying other Chinese companies. And what we have learned recently in the last 6 to 8 months is that the Chinese don't care about the rules of a stock exchange. They don't care about business profitability. They care that if a business is profitable, you should be sharing it with the state. And the state will come over and take over, and your stock is worth absolutely zero. Very risky, too risky. We don't even want to play it.
Right.
Was that close enough?
Yeah, Chinese market does not want any of your money.
Oh, no, they want all of your money, but then they're going to share it amongst themselves, and you're going to get none back.
Well, that's true, yeah.
All right, PYT. What'd you get for PYT? Do you get P+?
I didn't really get anything that made a whole lot of sense.
Okay, yeah, because this is a weird one. The P+ Trust Series GSC-2, GSC2 CTFLRT. I have no idea what any of that meant.
It's a lot of letters and very low volume and nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's something.
Yeah. So there's no volume at all.
No.
I don't even know what they do. There's nothing about them. I don't know. All right.
Just give us your money. You don't need to know what we do.
SYY. Let's see what happens. Oh, Cisco. That's a company we know. Do you have Cisco up there in the Great North?
Yes. For food, yes.
Yeah. Food services.
Yeah, without a doubt. So Cisco Corp is a distributor of food-related products, primarily to the Sioux.
The Sioux? The Indian tribe?
The food service or food away from home industry, so known as restaurants.
So, restaurants. Last couple of days, what has happened for restaurants? Yeah, so we've crashed 10%, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it? Omnicron?
I don't know. All I saw today was that it was an anagram for moronic.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, it's I don't doubt it. New variant, everybody's freaking out. Oh, nobody's going to go to restaurants anymore, right? So yeah, this may be a nice one to pick up because give this a couple of weeks, it's going to blow off. Nobody's going to be concerned. They're all going to go back to restaurants because we haven't been to restaurants for 2 years. We all want to go back and party. So of the three, this one's got my choice. Because those other two really suck. But this one actually may recover some.
Oh, without a doubt. At some point, this one will recover. If, when, and how much is all up for debate. But certainly, yeah, I mean, they went down to $26 in the low, back up to as high as 86 not that long ago. That was in May of 2021. So it being down, to $70, definitely, I think, once we get through COVID winter here, yeah, and summer will be back open. People will be out and frolicking again. I'm in. All
right, sounds good. Man, they have huge revenue, man, but their earnings are not. Tough market, dude. Tough. All right, but that's going to work for
the
us.
Restaurant business.
Yeah. All right, so that's how we do it. That's how we pick a stock.
Whoa.
Now,
that's how you enter the metaverse right there.
Check that out, dude. How did I even do that?
That is impressive.
Yeah. Sorry, we'll do that. I thought you were going right to the portfolio. I wanted to join in.
Okay, yeah, no, I just have a full screen going. But if you want to click it, I can.
Oh, okay. Give me a second here.
Let me see.
Maybe add to stream. There we go.
Perfect.
Look at that.
Just like that. That's how it's done, folks.
So on a tangent before we start this, over the holiday, we had the holiday here in America, right? I got some feedback from some of our loyal viewers, and they would like us to put together a class because they say when we go through and we do our homework on a stock, we go real fast because we're trying to squeeze us all into 10 minutes. And they said, man, we know there's stuff going through your head. You guys are looking at all this stuff. So they want us to create a training that breaks down everything we look at, spend 10 minutes on that one thing. Why do we look at it? What goes through our head while we're bouncing through? Like we look at market cap, our brain does something. We look at PE, our brain does something. And they said, man, could you give us a class on each one of those so we can kind of learn? So I think we've got some tasks ahead of us.
All right. I love it.
Sound good? Yeah, perfect. I know. I thought it was pretty cool feedback.
Yeah, we had a little foray into some lessons previously, and yeah, we should get back into that. Absolutely.
We will work on that.
Yeah.
Thanks for the feedback, all of you out there in YouTubeville world. Land.
The YouTube verse. I think everything now.
YouTube verse. All right.
Everything has to end in verse now. It's
so
not cool if it's not in the verse.
You missed our show yesterday.
Yes.
We reviewed Friday, which was the worst day that Dumb Investing has ever had. And I think today is going to take second place. It was brutal again, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was absolutely brutal.
Things were actually looking up until Powell showed up and started talking.
Yeah, he's got to be a little quieter when he speaks or something.
Oh, are you kidding? Are they our biggest loser?
Yeah, they are. Yeah, BurgerFi.
On the show last night, I talked about we got to learn when to dump them. We did great with Zillow because we got out. I mean, Zillow's dropped another 20 points since we got out of it. And I think we've been holding these for posterity because it's a good lesson and good talk and stuff like that. I think we got to draw the line and say, man, if they go under 10, unless we've got huge conviction, they're gone. We don't want to watch them go all the way down.
Right. Well, I think we're going to see some of those lessons.
I know.
Real shortly here. So we've got BurgerFi down 8.29%.
Good Lord.
One day.
In one day.
Yeah. We've got San Juan Basin down 7.66% today. We've got the Industrials Bull down 7.55% today. The Russell down 5.94% today. So, I mean, it was a bloodbath across the board.
Hey, I didn't get to see the close or anything today. How bad were the regular indices? Like how much was the Dow down and stuff?
I didn't see it either.
Yeah.
No. On the winner side, believe it or not, there is some.
We only have 3 winners.
Yeah. Yeah. And after
in my personal account, I only had 2, I think.
Yeah. After hours, it looks like our gains got wiped out on Ideanomics, up 3.87%, and Meg Silver up 1.59% today.
Wow.
Yes,
Brutal.
sir.
Brutal day.
Yeah. So today we lost almost 1% of our overall portfolio today. $26.73. So as you mentioned, our second biggest loss. Now for our biggest losers. My goodness.
Are we just doing great or what?
Yeah. So we've got the Brazil Bull down 33. Oh, well, it was. Now it's down 36.09%.
Oh, don't click that again.
No doubt. BurgerFi down 35.67%. Ideanomics down 33.17%. Green Lane Holdings down 32%.
Oh, Green Lane and Butterfly
down 23.8%. My goodness. I mean,
we doubled up on both of those when they were down. But, the whole market's crashed. This is nothing to stress about. It's going to come back.
On top, we've got Worry Bank up 17.49%. We've got On Assignment up 12.27%. We got Alta Equipment Group up 11.27%.
Are you as surprised as I am with Simon Property Group?
I don't know. I wouldn't say I'm overly surprised. I mean, I'm happy.
I am too.
I think there's going to be a lot of diversification in that type of business. I think there's going to be a lot of outlet malls or malls that people don't go to anymore turned into, who knows, houses, warehouses, anything and everything. So I think there's opportunities for it to be, just more than what it has been in the past.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's the Daily Show. That's how we roll random dice. We pick random stocks. And we build a great portfolio that loses 1%. But I bet the market lost more. So I think we did better. That's all good. We'll come at you. We're going to do this again tomorrow night. We might do a market recap Thursday. And we'll start developing some classes. So maybe we'll do classes on Wednesday, market recap on Thursdays. Don't know yet. We're going to figure that out. But we got a lot of work to do and a lot of things to bring to the channel. And hopefully you guys are getting something out of this and you enjoy spending 13 minutes of your night watching these dummies roll dice. Don't trade like that guy.
Definitely do not trade like that guy.
Have a great night, y'all. Thanks for joining.
Good night.